Hi there, this video is just going to show you how to add a new course. Over on the left here I have my course outline in a Word document, and down here I have the image that I would like to use for that course. This over here is the dashboard where you log in to the website, and we are just going to head over to this menu on the left. Just go to Courses, and up the top here it's got Pro Event Calendar. Next to that it has a button that says Add New. Okay, so in here we have our title. So what we can do is go back over to our Word document and copy the title and the course code and just simply paste that in here. Take out the words course code. And this particular course is a course in New South Wales. So we will reference that in a second when we add our second title. This blue section here, we have back-end editor or front-end editor. What we want to do is go to the back-end editor. Here we've got blank page, add content or template. You can see here we've got our certificate courses, then all of our New South Wales courses. They've got New South Wales in front of the course title. Scroll down and you can see there are a bunch of Queensland courses as well. So what we're going to do is probably add this one here. So this is an existing New South Wales course that's also called Construct and Install Water Distribution Assets. So it's a little bit similar to the one that we're setting up, so it'll be the best bet here. So if we just go across and click on the plus, you can see there that that has added a whole bunch of information. So what we need to do here is just go back and forth, copy and paste bits and pieces across. So we can see here, we'll just copy this paragraph here. When I click on this here, it comes up with this green one that says text box. What we need is to just edit it, and that'll bring up a little box here. Choose the text we want to replace and paste over it, and then save your changes when it's ready. From here we just go through and update all of the information like this. You can see we've got these tabs down the bottom here. So duration is exactly the same. We've got 1 day plus in-field third party, which is the same on this one here. If you just click on each of these tabs, all of our New South Wales courses have please contact for pricing information, so that will stay the same. Certification, we just need to update here. So all we need to update is again just this line here. Copy and paste that across. Again, when we click on this, it brings up that it's a text box, so just jump in there. It's just this bit here that we need to paste in there. You might just need to do a little bit of formatting and save your changes. Additional info is usually quite similar. For this one we don't have a unit of competency yet, so you would probably just delete that section there. Additional information like PPE requirements is the same, and our language requirements are the same, so that can all stay the same there. As we go down, you will see some other information here. So on the right we have our event categories. As I said, this is a New South Wales course, so we will click onto that. It is a short course, so we will click onto that, and it is also a course about water. So we'll click those three things there, and we'll just hit publish before we make too many extra changes. I typically re-hit that. It'll come up as update in a second. Everything else here stays the same. All we do is we can scroll down here. This is our Yoast SEO. So this is how it appears in search engines. At the moment, this is blank. You can add in here, for example, wastewater assets, and update that. It will then give you this traffic light system of things that you can do to improve your SEO. So if we look down here now, it will give us some problems, some improvements, and some things that we've done well. You can also go into here, edit the snippet. The meta description is where I would usually copy across this little section here. Maybe just finish it at manner. Paste that in there. It's come up red because it's a little bit too long. So I would continue to just edit that until it turns green. Usually putting the wastewater assets, just repeating that in your title, your slug, and your meta description, just reinforces that to the search engines, and you'll be more likely to be found for those words, which are the words you've put here in your focus keyword. So we'll just update this to keep moving. Okay, down here you can see event data is another section, and all we need to do here is, as I said, this is a New South Wales course, so we just go to New South Wales Learning Centre, and that will then appear in the course calendar showing that it's a New South Wales course as well. So again, just update after every change. Over here is our course information. So we put in the date here if we have an upcoming date. If you don't have an upcoming date, just change that to 2019 so that at least appears in the calendar, and you can add up dates later on. If you click hide time, then you don't need to worry about putting those in. A frequency for short courses, that one is not relevant. Extra dates is if you already have your calendar of events or courses coming up, you can put in multiple dates for that one course, and then it will appear in the calendar like that. Tags, event categories we have taken care of. And then the last one down here is set featured image. So if we just click on that, it says there, drop files anywhere to upload. This is the photo that I would like to use here, so I literally just drag it onto there. It will then show you all of the other photos. It's got the tick on it to say, yep, that's the one I want to use. And you say set featured image. That'll come up there now. Just update that again. While we're down with our image there, we just disable the title and disable the featured image. That means that the image won't show on the course page itself, but it will still show in, like on the home page where we have lists of courses. So if we just update that one, we should be just about finished now. The one thing I would add is, so when you go onto any of these coloured boxes, it's edit, duplicate or delete. What I've just done then is duplicate an existing heading, and then I'm just going to drag it over here, copy the heading from the actual page name and put it over here. So edit, and just paste it over the existing one that we've just copied there. and we can just save that. So now that's pretty much all of the information we need. Because this is a new course, what I would then actually do is go back to our templates section, hit that, and it says save current layout as a template. So what I would do is, this is New South Wales course, type New South Wales _ and then paste the name again, hit save template, and then if you need to go and set this course up again at any time, you've already got it there as a template. So if I close that one there, we should now be able to go over to our website, go to courses. It was a water course, so we'll just search on that one there. And now our course is showing up. So New South Wales, short course, water, and there we are. It's all good to go. All the information you've just put in there. As always, if you have any questions, just get in touch. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.